Yo, watch Lion, man. I'm glad I come on time today. See my wait for we go get the phone them today. Yo, Lion, what go on, man? You good?
There, man. Morning, man.
You
Sleep last night, man.
Why you can't sleep?
Sleep, man.
Why you excited?
Boy, me say, finally, man. Kill out too much 100 foul, you know. Sell out, you know. Make profit for go get my little digit phone, you know, man.
Hey.
Make profit for get me digit phone from 6 or 15 me catch her this man.
You mean 6:15?
6 or 15 me turn up
6:15, brother.
When me never really the right, so me out a corner there, cause you know being a store, Lion well be known about you, you know. Me have to make the people them see me really I go up and I move to there.
Can't make people them know your business, man. Or whether you have on your side right there, so.
No man, a business we are gonna look about, man. So you have a little thing here because them boy rough out there, you know. Them boy rough, and if a boy think, you know. If a boy think, see it ya? I'm a little sitting for defend my man. Me not gonna pull you out cause don't want nobody see. I'm a one little instrument for you to you put this in a for your side or in a for your waist because
so
a business we are gonna look about.
Yo, brother, you're different, you know, man.
So me bring all one rain umbrella here for you because
you mean umbrella? Umbrella.
Ground, you know. Water the pan ground.
Oh
and
boy.
It look like weather they are see, you know, so it might bright now and then rain starts.
So you try to storm a come then?
But me I tell you, sitting me have surprise for you. Me glad see you there on time, cause me know you have my pints. Me can depend on you. But when me I tell you, so then say early bird catch the most worm, you know.
Yeah.
Early bird, I turn up out a corner there, you know. Can't pull down on my foot. Big man from necktie and sitting come. Ask me for direction cause I want to find certain corners.
What am I doing this
You don't know if a woman him find down there, but certain corners him want me would even repeat that the corner there. Right?
Yeah.
So look him and look for me and say, boy, you dress up like you go far out. Far out. So me I say, no man, I'm my like a second man. Go look for sitting. I'm a pinch him and tell him say it's really a digit phone me are looking at. If you go buy me my second down in the city there, you know. So I say, boy, you don't have to go far, man. That's what I deal in. That's what I deal in. And him have drive one of them like a slow box there, so.
You mean Pro Box, Nissan Pro Box.
Open up trunk and show me sitting. You didn't talk loud neither. Show me some product where you have in the back of it, you know. So him give me a price. Him show me some sitting and give me a price. But me I say, no sir. Can't pay that because you know you have to negotiate good enough. And any boy can negotiate like Lion. When Lion negotiate a serious thing, you know, business me I look about. Right? Business me I look about.
Oh, you mean, man, right? A business, serious business so, we are dealing with today.
Show me certain things. Me wouldn't want to tell you right now, you know.
So what you do? You go spend the money?
I tell you, say, a bargain in a bag me get in.
What kind of bargain in a bag you get?
In a bag.
What kind of bargain you get, brother?
Any boy can negotiate them a deal.
Yo, let me see the thing, man. Let me see you again.
Any boy can negotiate them a deal, man.
You mean negotiate?
Right? Me I tell you this. So, you see with the chip from go down, so. When me I tell you, say, me feel this, you go proud of Lion when you see what go on since morning, yeah. When you see what go on since morning, we still have to go down there because I would a yam piece of chicken down in the city, you know. I wouldn't mind say all 1 and 2 pretty girl down there because I really want somebody a yard there now. It's about time. Tired of them boy they call me what? Where do you pass and you hear them call me?
Board man.
Board man and one other one call me what?
Gilgin, brother.
Like so I want somebody here because up to now, I know hear gunfire about nursery. Rockall come home and they're around there. But me I can show you where I go on, man. Let me sit down here, sir. I can show you where I go on.
I can see how boy.
Walk with that little back like water them, man.
So where you get that one here from?
At the brethren, man. He said, him one of the manager for doing a busy cell. Busy cell place him work. Look here now.
Busy cell, you mean Digicel?
Busy cell.
How about this?
Look here.
What kind of order?
Everything still in a package, you know. He must show me now. See it hard to even pull. See them here, man. See it here. I mean, look a digit phone. This he must say just release, you know. I see nobody about the place with this. Just release.
Where you talk?
He must say like this. Look now, he must say like they would have make that one at 9 o'clock in the morning. The story he must give me now, you know.
Yeah.
Inside story, you know.
Inside story.
Anybody get them information, yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Inside story must say, like the man designed that one, yeah. About 10 o'clock in the morning, he fall asleep and get a vision. It's about 4:30. He designed the second one, yeah. Second one. See it, yeah? So that's why that one here looks so round up. The latest one this. So me would have said, would have take that one here, give Raka this guy, he must show me to you know.
Yeah.
He give me all a demonstration and say them one here can go up online. 2 of them can go up online because enough people about here have phone, you know. But it a drop off a line and then try put it online. So he give me a demonstration say, more time like that. This line, you can just put your phone so see. Can't drop off a line, dep online.
Yo, brother.
Right?
You know, say a ghost, the brother ghost, you know.
Look now, give me another thing, you see. This you know, bag him in a bag, yeah, man. This thing give me, man, say this I.
But
the one like a fast charge it, we are charging.
Brother, which fast charger? Yo, I one bag of garbage the man sell you, brother. What you mean, man? I scam the man, scam you.
Man. Garbage can't come in at this. Garbage can't come in at this, yeah.
Where there's a
bag in a bag this. You couldn't negotiate this. You couldn't negotiate this.
Who would negotiate this?
Right? See the charger them, you know. Charger them. You have to take this and touch it to the phone. Touch it to the phone. This is one of them. That the one you say, a long one. So if me there way over there, so me can touch it for you, so go way over there, so and it show me one. If me want test if the phone a charge now, instead me plug this in and then me I go use me hand and touch this and then me I go touch the other one.
Brother, kill the man or try to kill you. What kind of thing the man tell you for the brother? Scam the man, scam your brother. If you touch two of them, they'll shock the tag shock you know.
Shock? No, man,
brother, I'll shock it, I'll go shock you.
Me want to know if the phone a charge.
You really go spend the money? Buy this?
Listen now.
A garbage that look man.
Negotiate, man. Listen now. Me no want to talk make people here. This $100,000 worth of item this you know, I tell me about you know. But instead because me give him because location him want you know. So me give him the direction to the place. But you know me forgot to tell him. I forgot to tell him say one big corner because I know when people not come from bout here, you know. Instead come from one place named I am sure. I am sure. One different parish.
Rich brother then man, I am sure.
So me forgot to tell you know that deep corner that the dangerous is this corner about the place. I forgot to tell him say if you stop the vehicle, stop, walk around the corner and look if nothing come. Then come back, go in at the vehicle and drive round. Just for them on the safe side. So all of them things I know 100,000 tell me. You must say me not for tell nobody. Cause I don't want to get in a trouble down I
because you know you look like fool.
Right? So for this and everything yeah, how that 70,000. Right? 70. Me bargain him down to. But three him go give me the one with the latest one. He said put 10 more upon it now. 10 more. And me can get everything. So I say, would I take this lion and carry this corona rakasaka car in just come out.
A scam the brother scam you man. A one bag of garbage. That can't do that. So which part that I go plug in at the phone? That's a question now.
Well in saying the depend years he couldn't stop for show me no more. Couldn't stop for show me and he never have the phone your wall in there. Never have the phone your wall.
You mean manual?
Because to how the man just design them. He never have the phone in your wall. Right? So this now I gotta be mine. And it can go up online. For sure you say I'm not garbage me attack. Try put your phone up online. Like at the line this. You say me can go so 2 of them can go up online.
Brother, where that it mean, brother? Right? The online mean for go up on the internet.
See it there? I don't know intimate nothing. I don't know intimate nothing.
Internet.
About. At this, at that, this a demonstration. So even breeze blow, nothing can affect it.
Brother, yo,
your phone can't.
You need to go find the man and get back your money. You just waste your money.
Nobody about the place now have nothing like this. You see when they see lion with
brother,
this.
10 years ago them start make them thing there.
When they see lion with this, they come more. Every woman a top a lion phone. Every every woman at top of foot here. And where you talk about?
Brother, 10 years ago them start make them phone them.
Where you say to me now? Talk to me now. Cause me trust you more than
I
anybody
scam
else.
the man, scam. You hear me I tell you, man.
Trust you more than anybody else about the... Where you say to me now?
Scam the brother, scam you.
Say-
Go see him. Trick you and take your money.
Jesus, so you say...
One bag of garbage, look on that. You don't even know where anything plug into.
Insert this I far one, man.
Brother, far what? That nothing going on nothing, brother. You can't plug it into the phone. How you go plug it into the phone?
So none of this?
You see work for none of them things that for fit them cable, eh?
Jesus have mercy. No, not tell me say somebody doing this.
I
No.
rob the man, Rabbi. I scam the man, scam
You
your
not
brother.
tell me that. Too
Scammer.
early in the morning.
I scam a man.
See, say.
You don't
Jesus
stash away your
have
money.
mercy. All of my money gone.
All your money gone, brother.
Jesus, right now I feel like my blood pressure is 5,000. 5,000 over 70,000 milligram. 5,000 over 70,000
Where you go, brother?
milligram. Jesus have mercy. Where you tell me? All my money gone?
All your money gone,
Jesus
brother.
have mercy.
You need to go find where the brother you gonna go take back your money, you know.
No, man. This guy, a whole criminal that. A whole criminal man. See, a whole man like me. Whole man like me. Plant too much foul. Too much ground. And you take me money, give me that, and I show me
Yeah,
demonstration
bitch, man.
line. No, man.
Rob the man, Rabbi. Yo.
Yeah, they are crooks, robbers, bandits, thieves, crooks, robbers.
Yo, the money on the right, you know.